In my last video, I filmed this knife getting restored, and I talked about the pits along the edge. And I have a few comments where people were asking, how did I know it was pits and not chips? And I explained it to them, but I had an opportunity to show you here. If you look at these pits, you can see how straight lined they are on the sides. It's kind of hard to chip a knife like that. And more so, it's only on these Shuns. Now, their Shuns are thin; they do chip easy, and very hard steel. But again, in my opinion, these are pits. And I had a customer bring me a knife that he confessed goes through the dishwasher, and I wanted to show it to you. Here it is. Now look at these pits and little holes. These holes are like halfway through the steel, and they're going to become the new chips on it. And this is very common. I see this a lot, and this is what I was talking about.